Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from Device Bar. In this video, we have the new Xiaomi Mijia mini massage gun. So they already have a massage gun, but this is a mini version which is small and portable compared to the previous big version. I'm not going to lie, this is my first massage gun, but I spoke with some people about this and I used it for a while, so I'll share my review and my thoughts in this video. Let's check out the product now. This is the box here. Inside the box, we have the main device, a pouch for carrying this, safety hand strap, Type A to Type C cable, this user manual which is not in English, but I'll share the product link in the description for you, and these two massage jets. I'll share their uses later in this video. Coming back to the device, this is the dark blue color version. It may look black in some angles, but it is actually dark blue. They also have pink and white colors. It doesn't weigh that much. This is around 370 grams I think. The material feels good, have that silicone touch and good grip. At the front you can remove and add massage jets like this, and at the back you have the on off switch. At the bottom you have this Type C charging and a place for that safety hand strip. If you charge it 100%, which should take about 3 hours, then you can use it for like 10 hours or so. They have 3 different massage modes. To turn it on, you have to long press this. So this is the first mode with 1600 RPM. You can listen to the sound right now. And you can press it again for the second mode with 2000 RPM. And the last one with 2500 RPM. You can listen to the sound right now. So what is this RPM anyway? It stands for revolutions per minute or the number of turns per minute. The more RPM they have, the more powerful and impactful it is. For example, the bigger version of Mijia massage gun got a maximum of I think 3200 RPM compared to this mini's maximum of 2500 RPM. But this one is more lightweight and good for traveling. You can even keep it in your pocket and use it whenever you want. So that's an advantage. These are the 3 massage jets we have. The first one is the flatted one, which is suitable for all the muscle areas usually. The second one is the ball head, which is recommended for places having large muscles like your shoulder. And the third one is the U-shaped head, which is good for side muscles, especially in your legs area. That's all. I'll show an example with this flatted one now. Now I'm going to use this in my hand. I'm going to long press this to activate. It is now in the first mode. I just have to place it like this. You can listen to the sound right now. There is a round light to the back of this. It will change into white light for moderate strength and orange kind of light for higher massage strength. If you want something higher than this, you just have to click this to change the mode. The impact will be high. It does a great job of applying pressure to your muscles, but please do check with the medical professional if you have any doubts or if you feel uncomfortable using a massage gun for your body pain. It is recommended to have a check before using or before even buying this. People often ask, do massage guns really work, or can I use a massage gun instead of using medicine or visiting a doctor, etc.? See, this is merely a device which works according to how we use, and obviously we don't know much about our body unless we are a professional in this field. You can use this for basic massage, muscle relaxations, and it even helps with fatigue and stress. We travel a lot, we sleep in odd positions. Maybe you are an athlete or you are someone who started working out. This really comes handy when you are into all this. But the moment you feel confused or if your pain is severe, then please contact a doctor as soon as possible. When I was researching about massage guns, I learned they have a huge market, and one of the top players there is a brand called TerraGun or TerraBody. They have a pretty good number of models. They are really good and powerful, but they are expensive compared to others. In such cases, brands like Xiaomi Mijia is preferred by many. This one is good. I also heard the bigger version is good too, but please do compare it online before you end up buying one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let us know if you have any comments. Do kindly subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day.